Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Big news on April 25, 2025. Microsoft rolled out a wave of Windows 11 updates including fresh insider preview build, a major 24H2 release, and a new .NET framework preview. Whether you are a power user, a developer, or just curious about what's next, I will break down what's new, what's improved, and what issues you should watch out for. Ready to see what is changed? So let's jump in. Microsoft dropped multiple updates on April 25 targeting Windows 11 Insider Preview channels version 24H2 and the .NET framework. These updates bring exciting new AI features, performance improvements, and important fixes for both AMD 64 and ARM 64 architectures. Whether you are a gamer, developer, IT pro, or just love having the latest features, there is something here for you. So let's break down each update and see what's new. So first, let's talk about Windows 11 version 24H2 build 26100.3915, available for both AMD 64 and ARM 64 devices. The major update introduces AI-powered features like Recall, currently in preview for Copilot Plus PCs, which lets you search your past activities using natural language, making it easier to find what you need. There is also Click to Do, enabling smart actions on text and images, semantic search inside File Explorer for more intuitive file finding, and phone link integration directly in the Start menu. Plus, update installations are faster thanks to a new system called Checkpoint Updates, and you will notice smoother taskbar animations for a better user experience. However, some devices may experience broken biometrics or camera support after updating. Older games, AutoCAD 2022, might not run properly, and the Windows Recovery Environment or WinRE could fail post updates. So always back up your system before installing this update to avoid any surprises. Next up is Insider Preview Build 10.0.26200.5570, released in the Dev channel for AMD 64 and ARM 64 devices. So what's new? This build previews platform changes that are likely heading to Windows 11 25H2. It includes behind-the-scene improvements to the Germanium platform, which powers AI capabilities and servicing technology for smaller, more efficient updates. Keep in mind, this is a dev channel build, so expect some instability. Some apps may appear blank, and core Windows features like Windows File Explorer might not load when you boot into safe mode. Now Insider Preview Build 10.0.26120.394 will available in the beta channel for AMD 64 and ARM 64 devices. This build improves voice typing by adding a customizable profanity filter so you can tailor it to your preferences. It also adds Click to Do support for pen input on Copilot Plus PCs, making pen interactions smarter and more intuitive. Windows Search also gets smarter with semantic indexing, which helps you find files using natural language queries. Some users may experience Windows Sandbox failing to launch with error code, and the Windows Recovery Environment might not function correctly. Additionally, some apps could appear blank after installation. Next is Insider Preview Build 10.0.22635.5305, also in the beta channel for AMD 64 and ARM 64. This update brings tabbed folder openings in the File Explorer, making multitasking easier. It also fixes bugs like missing save dialog options when using dark mode, and improves the Start menu's usability for users who prefer larger text sizes. Quick Assist won't work for non-admin users, and some Start menu grid or category views may have issues with context menus not appearing properly. Finally, there is the cumulative update preview for the .framework 3.5 and 4.8.1, identified as KB5056579 for Windows 11 Insider Preview Build 9310.1. This update enhances app performance and stability for .NET based applications, which is especially important for developers testing their apps on insider builds. There are limited details on specific issues, but as a preview update, it may introduce minor bugs. It's best to test this update in a controlled environment before deploying widely. So why do these updates matter? They push Windows 11 forward with smarter AI-driven features, improved performance and better tools for developers. But remember, insider builds can be unstable, so always use these with caution and always back up your data. These updates are perfect for testing new features like recall or click to do, but known issues like WinRE failures or app crashes mean you should proceed carefully. That's the full rundown on April 25's Windows 11 updates. Are you testing any one of the builds? Share your experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear how they are working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.